you ready for your test?
I guess so.
All right, great.
So, can I have a test or?
Check your email.
I'm done with the test.
Good.
With Schoology, teachers can create an exam and assign it to their students. The students can complete an online exam and receive immediate feedback. The teachers can view progress and automatically grade, saving time and effort. Teachers can create discussion forums to encourage debate and reflection among students. Students can respond to the teacher's questions, comment on their classmates' responses, and receive real-time feedback. Schoology is useful in any educational setting where communication and organization are vital. It is particularly recommended for distance learning, blended learning, and as a supplement to in-person education.